Is it visible?
Yes. Read it out.
To the principal, Narula Institute of Technology,
Wait,
Agurpara,
wait,
Kolkata.
wait. What is the spelling of principal?
Sorry, ma'am. I apologize.
No need to show. First correct it. I can find out there are several more mistakes. So please correct it. Check for the proper English and only then display your work. Okay. You have not written proper English. There are several spelling mistakes. So first write it out correctly, only then.
Now, can I read?
Yes. No, there are more mistakes. Check properly. I said check the whole letter properly. There are more mistakes. You need to correct all of them. Yeah. Neha Gupta, roll 27. Show your work. Neha Gupta, roll 27. Share screen and show your work. Neha, there is lots of noise. Neha, there is lot of voice coming from your house. Ask others to stay silent.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it is visible.
Yes.
To the principal, Narula Institution of Technology, 81 Nilganj Road, Agarpara, Kolkata, 700109. Subject, leave application for 1 day. Respected Madam, with due respect, I beg to say that I have an urgent piece of work at home, so I cannot come to college on 29 December 2020. Kindly grant me leave for 1 day. I shall be very thankful to you. Thank you. Your obediently, Neha Gupta, class BCA 1A, roll number 27, date 28 December 2020.
Neha, your letter is totally incorrect. It is not done in a proper format. I have asked you to write a letter stating that there is illness at your home, you are sick, and you have to ask for permission. But instead of writing that reason, you have written that there is some incorrect one. And also, Neha, it is very bad. There are several noise coming from your house. Repeatedly, I said that ask people to mute themselves for a few minutes or go to some another room from where you can speak properly. There are lots of noise coming from your house. So this is very bad. I am keeping you as absent. Once you do it correctly, only then I will give you attendance. Aman Giri, roll number 29. Unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, can I share?
Yes. Everyone keep their video on. Trishita Day, keep your video on.
Ma'am, can you see?
No, I'm yet not able to see your screen. No,
Now?
no, the screen is not visible. You can only see.
Okay. Ma'am, now?
No. Yes, now wait, it is coming, I think. Again, it stopped.
Ma'am, can you see me?
Yes,
Okay.
the video
Now?
is. Wait, no, not now. No, The screen is not visible.
Ma'am, can I copy that thing in my phone and can I share again?
Okay, do that, but before you now stop sharing and I will go to some other student. You come after few minutes, try after few minutes, okay? Sachin
Okay,
Kumar,
ma'am.
roll number 13. Sachin Kumar, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Show your work.
Ma'am, it is visible, ma'am.
Yes, read out.
To the principal, Nerula Institute of Technology, Agartala, Kolkata, 700109, subject application for sick leave respected. Ma'am, respectfully, I am here to inform you that I am successful from fever since last night.
Hmm?
The
What is
doctor
since? What you have written? I'm suffering since last night. Okay. Okay, read out.
The doctor has advised me to take 4-day rest. I trust for request for to grant me 4-day leave from 25/12/2020 to 28/12/2020.
Request. You have written request you and you are reading request for. Your English is very poor. Your presentation skill is quite bad. You have written 4 days. Change it. Write FOUR 4. Whenever you are writing letter, don't write numeric entities like this. Write it FOUR. Yes. Similarly, in the last line, I therefore request you to grant me for FOUR. Yes. You also justify your text. I have shown the process of justifying the text. So you also justify your text. তুমি ছিলে তো ক্লাসে যখন আমি জিৎ সেনকে বোঝাচ্ছিলাম কিভাবে জাস্টিফাই করতে হবে?
Ma'am, I does not understand Bengali.
You were there in the class when I was explaining Jeet Sen how to justify the text.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Do that. Do the justification.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not correct. I said justify the text. Just like the way I have explained in Jeet Sen.
This type of.
I am keeping you in waiting room. Once you learn how to justify the text, only then you join the class. And I am marking you as absent because you are not attentive in the class. You didn't listen anything. Okay.
Ma'am, I listen. Ma'am, I know that. Ma'am.
Know that what are you doing? You're not justifying your text. What are you doing? You're simply wasting time. I'm going to another participant and keeping you in waiting room. Simply experimenting here. How to do. Very bad. Who else? Shoikat Dash. No, Shoikat Dash. Sachin Kumar, go to waiting room. Disha Maiti, roll 28. Disha Maiti, unmute yourself. Disha Maiti. Disha Maiti, share your screen. Disha Maiti, no response from Disha Maiti. Ayush Chaudhary, unmute yourself. Ayush Chaudhary, unmute yourself. Ayush Chaudhary, unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yes. Ayush, go to some another room. There is noise coming from your home. Someone is shouting. Ayush Chaudhary, switch on your video.
Ma'am, I don't have webcam, ma'am.
You have mobile or not?
Yes, ma'am.
From next day, you will join from mobile. No need to do it from your laptop. Read
Ma'am,
out
one
the
minute,
letter.
ma'am.
Read out the letter.
To the principal,
Wait,
Nerula
wait,
Institution
wait.
of...
Wait. First of all, make your text justified.
Ma'am, I have justified, ma'am.
No, it is not justified.
Ma'am, fully justified.
What is fully justified and justified? What is the difference?
Ma'am, this one.
Keep your cursor there, show what is being written. Keep your cursor over those lines. Keep
Ma'am,
your
to the
cursor.
principal.
No, I will throw you out of the class. You are not listening to me. Keep the cursor there. It is not justified. How to justify your text? Show me that. Wait. What you are doing? I said justify the text. How to justify the text? Is not justified. I'm marking you as absent because you didn't attended the class properly. Next class, come prepared and then show your work. I'm keeping you in waiting room. There is very bad habit of you students that you don't ask question. When you were not clear at the time of explaining, why didn't you raise your hand and ask question? You don't know how to justify the text, then you are asking how to justify what is full justified and justified, I don't know. There is no concept of full justification and justification. Ask your friends how to justify the text. Shoikat Dash, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay.
তুমি দেখিয়েছিলে না আগে?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, না ম্যাম, আজকেরটা দেখাইনি।
আচ্ছা, share your screen.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Have you done it Word or somewhere else?
WPS office, ma'am.
WPS office. Okay. Read out.
Okay. Ma'am. To the principal, Naola Institute of Technology, 81 Nilganj Road, Agarpada, Kolkata, 700109, West Bengal. Date 27/12/2020. Subject: application for sick leave. Madam, most respectfully, I beg to state that I am not in a condition to come to the college since I am suffering from high fever. I have been prescribed by our family doctor to take proper rest for at least 3 days. Hence, kindly grant me a leave from 28/12/2020 to 30/12/2020. I shall be really grateful to you. Thanking you, yours obediently, Soikat Das, BCA 1A, Roll 11.
Okay. Have you make the test justified?
Yes, ma'am, I make it.
Good.
Wait,
very good.
I show you.
Others, everyone, keep attention how he is showing, how he will show that he has made test justified. Others should also keep attention, and if there is any confusion at any time, students can raise their hand and ask question. See.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, so show it slowly so that others can also see that how to justify the text from mobile. Very good. Very good.
Okay.
Very good.
Okay. First, first we need to know which text we should justify. Then just select that text and see this the right hand by right hand side. After the right alignment, you should see justified.
Look, there are different types of alignment: left alignment, centered alignment, right alignment, and then justified. So all
Justified.
of you need to select justified so that the text starts and ends at the same place. It looks good. Thank you. And if there is any confusion, any of the student, you can contact him and he will help you. Please help others who have doubts.
Okay, ma'am. Can I stop here, ma'am?
Yes, please do that.
Okay.
Disha Maiti raised her hand. Yes, Disha Maiti, you want to say something? Disha Maiti. Neha Gupta, unmute yourself. Neha Gupta, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I done it.
Oh, you have displayed. Oh, sorry, you have shared your screen and that. Who else is left? Is there anyone who is left? Some of you have raised hand. Rupak Pal. Yes, Rupak.
Ma'am, I want to show it properly.
Please do so. You have
Okay,
made
ma'am.
correct. You have done the corrections.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sure.
Ma'am, can it visible?
Yes. Wait,
I am Rupak Pal.
wait. It is still incorrect. Please get in touch with other students. You have written from Rupak Pal at the very beginning. This is wrong. You should not write letter like this. This is incorrect. First, contact any of your classmates and ask him how to write a letter. And then write it and then present it in next class. First, this is incorrect. Also, I can see that you have not made corrections in your letter. There are several other problems which I can see. Spelling mistake is there, not proper format is there, different types of underline, red, blue is there. You have not removed those. So you stay absent today and I am putting you in waiting room. Since you are not listening to my instructions. Keep silent. I'm not removing you now. First, let me announce that what is the work that all of you are going to do in the next class. You will write. You will you will write one full page, a description about yourself, your family, your school, and you will insert header and footer in the page, in the word page which you have written. I'm again announcing that all of you have to write a paragraph consisting of one full page of Word or WPS Office, whichever you are comfortable in, about yourself, about your family, about your schooling, about your childhood. You can write that. Then all of you have to insert header and footer. And within header and footer, how can you insert dates and page number automatically? That you have to learn. If there is any confusion, please raise hand so that okay. So is there any confusion? No one. There are several raised hands. Amangiri, first I am unmuting. Amangiri, do you want to ask any question regarding this?
Ma'am, I want to show my presentation.
Yes, I know that. But do you have any confusion regarding this? No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, show your presentation. Others, please, those who have raised hand, I will unmute every one of them. And if there is any confusion regarding today's homework, please ask me. Aman, yet your screen is not visible. Only you are visible. Only you are visible. Your screen is not yet visible. Aman, I will suggest you that you...
Ma'am, now.
Yes.
Ma'am, now.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, should I read it out?
Yes.
To the principal, Narula Institute of Technology, number 81 Neelganj Road, Kolkata 7,109. Date 28/12/20. Subject application for leave. Respected Sir, Madam. Most respectfully, I want to state that I, Amangiri, BCA first year, roll 29, is not in a position to attend because I have been suffering from viral fever.
Wait.
My
You
doctor
have,
my
wait. You have written. Again, show your screen. Why have you stopped sharing? Yes, you have written, I want to state that. You
yes,
have
ma'am.
written, I want to state that I, Amangiri. Why you have
Yes,
written
ma'am.
that I, Amangiri?
Ma'am, that I am writing this letter, that is why I have written that.
No, you have written no thanking you, Amangiri. It means it is obvious that you are writing the letter. So you should write most respectfully, I want to state that I am not in a position. Correct it now. I am not in a position. Delete everything. Amangiri and then roll number, section, delete everything. Do it.
Okay, ma'am.
I am not in a position. The rest of the thing you have written downwards, that what is your roll number, what is your section.
Ma'am, now is it good?
Yes.
So, ma'am, should I read it out again?
Yes.
Most respectfully, I want to state that I am not in a position to attend college because I have been suffering from viral fever. My doctor has prescribed me bed rest for 2 days. Hence, please kindly grant me leave from 29/12/10. Oh shit, ma'am, I have by mistake I have written it 10.
Where is your screen? I couldn't
Can't
find.
you see it?
Wait. Yes, I can see. Okay. Yes. Now it is correct. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No need to read out. You have read already. Okay. So that's all. If there is that's all for today. I don't want to see the screen share of anyone else, and I have already given today's work. If there is any confusion regarding this, students raise their hand. I will answer the question. Adrija Vishwas, you have raised your hand. You stop sharing. Adrija Vishwas.
Ma'am, actually, I have raised hand to show my presentation previously.
Okay, but it is it clear that what you want to do in the next class?
Yes, ma'am, clear. But the thing is, I don't know how to use header and footer.
That you have to find
Yeah.
out in Word. That you have to find
Yeah.
out in Word. Also, I will request everyone to help each other, since some of the students know very well how to do these things. Aman, do you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Anything more than header and footer or just header and footer?
Header and footer, and explore some more features of header and footer, like how to insert page number, how to insert date, or if there is any other information which you can insert in header and footer, and what is the purpose of using header and footer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Trishita, they raised her hand. Trishita, do you want to ask any question?
No, ma'am. Actually, I want to submit my presentation.
Okay, then there is no problem. Some other day we will check. So who else? Ayan Vishash. Ayan Vishash, do you want to check your presentation? Unmute yourself, Ayan Vishash. Ayan Vishash. Yes. বলো কি বলতে চাও?
প্রেজেন্টেশন শো করাতে চাই।
ঠিক আছে, প্রেজেন্টেশন আমাকে মেইল করে দেবে। যাদের those who are not able to present today, please either mail me or WhatsApp me.
Okay, ma'am.
And also in the next class we can definitely check for those, because I'm randomly taking the name, and my emphasis is to correct your presentation, since there are several mistakes, especially the justification of text is not clear, some has written numeric quantity. These are the general mistakes which students commit. So my aim is to do the corrections, to prepare students to focus on their mistakes. Ayush Chaudhary raised his hand. Yes, Ayush, do you want to say something? Ayush Chaudhary. No, Ayush Chaudhary. So I assume that there is no confusion. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, we have to insert header and footer, and what, ma'am? We have to insert date or time.
Date or time. What is the purpose of header and footer? Also, if you can add something more to header and footer, can some logo be added to header and footer? You have to explore different features of header and footer. First of all, you have to write a paragraph about yourself, about your family, about your schooling, and on that page you have to add header and footer and explore the different features of header and footer. I know that it is a new thing, so all of you need to explore it. Please help each other. In the next class, we will discuss header and footer, and I will see the presentation of all the students whom I will select. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Shoikat Dash, Sachin Kumar. So I think there is no more confusion. Please lower your hand once I have answered. Once you got your answer, please lower your hand. I couldn't understand that whether you are whether you are raising hand to ask question or to present yourself. Shubhangi Shet, roll number 8.
হ্যালো ম্যাম,
বলো।
বলছি যে নাম প্রেজেন্ট করে দিয়েছেন ম্যাম?
না, এখনো করিনি। তোমাকে যে কারেকশনস করতে বলেছিলাম করেছো কি?
আমি তো দেখাইনি আজকে একবার।
ও তোমাকে আর দেখাতে বলিনি না, তাই ঠিক আছে। না এখনো করি
না,
আমি
তাহলে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ করে দেব?
করে দাও, করে দিও।
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে।
Okay, so I think I assume that there is no confusion. Everyone is clear. So I'm ending the meeting for today. Please, Shoikat Dash raised his hand. Shoikat, you want to ask something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, length কতটা হবে প্যারাগ্রাফটার?
I said that at least one page of word. You can always write something more about yourself, like your hobby, your likings, about your family, your brother, your sister, how where your father works, what your mother does. Like this, you have to present yourself. My main motive is how to add header and footer, and what is the purpose of header and footer, what are the features that can be added to header and footer. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Sachin Kumar, you want to ask something? Sachin Kumar?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now it is justified. My
Please.
presentation.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Okay, now it is correct. But the principal, to the principal, P should be in capital. Okay. Principal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So with this, I'm ending the meeting.